Oh, Jesus, let angels proceed.
Ify, baby. God, what happened to you? Your what? Talk now.
Please, can I stay here? Small. I don't want to go to my house now. I don't want my father to see me like this.
You still have not answered my question. I said, why are you like this? You're so dirty. What happened? Okay, let's go inside. Why are you like this? You're so dirty. What happened? Eh? You cannot tell me that all of you know where she is. It's impossible. I have to listen to her and nobody knows. Where is she?
If I give you my designer,
why are you shouting at me? You get informal wings to fly, and she goes out anytime she likes and comes back anytime she likes.
That is not the point. The point here now is that Informa is not here, and 1, 2, 3 are telling me they don't know her whereabouts, which is impossible.
Papa, as for me, I don't know.
Papa, she didn't tell me where she was going. She didn't say anything to me.
Good. And probably you don't know.
When with the phone? Oh, when with the phone? Here, Len. Eh!
Okay.
When with the phone? Oh, no, no, my phone.
Time prevents a father tears. The earlier the better, my brother, check your time. I got your code.
You are talking with my daughter on the phone and asking me. Why is she?
Everything white and black.
Useless girl.
Show me your
Get to your house to fight over you. Look,
show me
your this phone. I will so deal with you that when I finish with you, you know what you designer can do.
If I give you my designers, are you good designer? Mr. Designer, what is a designer? Tell don't make mistake, you can call them style.
Hey! Informa has finished. Okorocha, Informa has disgraced me. This is embarrassment to the highest level. Hello!
What are you doing here?
Onini, what do you mean? Why are you asking me that question? What I'm doing here?
Yeah, please, come, please. Come.
What is wrong with you?
Wait now.
What kind of question is that? Am I not supposed to come to my presence again?
What?
Wait.
Ify. Informa.
Murako.
Informa.
Murako. Hey!
Have you seen what it costs?
Cost what? Murako. You think because of that liquor you're asking me what I'm doing in your house?
My friend, go home.
Go with home. I'm not going anywhere.
Go home.
One man the poison is another man food.
What are you talking about? I came to your house and met a girl that you told me that you're not sleeping with. She didn't even come out from inside your house. She didn't even come out from outside your house. She came out from inside your house. And you say you're not having anything to do with her.
Deborah, listen. Don't try to turn this around. I know what you're driving at. I am not turning anything around. That girl hates me with every drop of her blood. She came here to lie to you that I fought her over a man. She only said that so that you and I can fight and kill each other. That's why she said that. Listen to me. And you believe that? Listen to me. You are the one lying here. Deborah, you are the one lying here. I know very well that both of you fought in a man's house. You think I don't know? You're here telling me cock and bull story. Don't even think about it. You think I don't know?
Murako, yes, I know I lie sometimes. But this time around, I did not lie anything. I did not lie. See, that girl, why you having regard for someone that don't even regard you? And leave me, Deborah, that loves you with every drop of my blood. That girl, she's a bloody liar. She lies every time. She lies today, she lies tomorrow. She even lied to me yesterday that you even beat somebody. She lied to me today that you even beat somebody.
Stop!
What's the meaning of all this? Why are you shouting? What are you even saying? Which one am I to believe now?
You have to stop believing that girl. She's just a liar. She lies. Her generation lies. Her third generation lies. Everybody in her house lies. She lies because she hates me. She hates
Channel Yogu. Okay, health center. Which of the health centers? Okoro. You know how busy? Okoro. Where are you coming from?
Papa, I know.
Where are you coming from?
Papa, we do dance drama, Papa, at Rosa's house. When I finished, Papa, I didn't know that time was going, I now slept off and wake up to come back house.
So you slept and then woke up to come back?
Yes, Papa.
Can I see your phone?
Hey! Papa, it's like I left it at Rosa's toilet, Papa. You use
it at toilet roller. What I want to know is what your phone was doing in Okorocha's house. Why you gave your phone to Okorocha, of all people?
Papa, I did not give Okorocha my phone. I did not even see Okorocha. Maybe my phone fall down, then Okorocha pick her.
My daughter, yes, you're my favorite, yes. But at times, I begin to think that you have your brains between your thighs. And at times you don't reason. You know what the level we are placed to Okorocha in this community. You know the competition we have been doing together. You know how I try to reduce him. That it doesn't matter. And yet, Okorocha of all people. Place yourself in my position. How am I going to stand and then absorb his mockery? How can I stand in his place and tell him he's a quack when my daughter is quackery itself? How am I going to face Okorocha and then the community? Look at my pride, you have just leveled it on the floor. You have finished me, my daughter. You have reduced me to the lowest ebb. Okorocha. For what?
You're not the one that said I should follow the boy. You must find my phone. Well, what is it? What do you think you're going to? You're not going anywhere. Wait.
Listen. You don't get out of my way now. I'll slap your head off your shoulder.
Slap my shoulder, slap my face.
What is even your problem? When I introduced you to that idiot, did I ask you to go to his house? Did he drag you to his house?
You say I should plan my card well. I should play and well.
I
play well now.
Will you shut up your mouth? Play your card well. Does it mean you just go there and try and open everything for him? What's the meaning of that rubbish?
You look for my phone.
Mister, I'll slap you. Better leave.
Why didn't you teach me how to play my card well? Why didn't you teach me?
My friend, look at you.
Why me check? I don't know why you're bold.
My brother, check your time.
Why you want to come out on me like that?
According to your side.
Who the governor? Why did baby like man?
Why you like because you be man? The only man who get mad push me the way you push me now. Don't try that rubbish again.
I won't take it. You two have been going on at each other for a while now. What is happening? What is it that you two know that nobody else knows in this house? Ify, what is the problem? Nothing.
I hope that guy did not hit it.
What is going on? What is it?
See?
What is going on? What is the problem?
Nothing.
I don't like sometimes the kind of thing you do. You're supposed to, as a gentleman, at least if the girl is coming after you, you wait for the person. You will hold hands together. People will see us. Are you not happy with me? See me at Deborah. I'm supposed to, at least whenever I'm coming to you like this, you'll be happy. You know the way we do it now. Miracle, what's on, man? Public. I'm putting that fire about public. Ha! It's not good now. Why are you staying public when two of us are together? You're not supposed to be staying public, please. If you don't like me coming to you, you just tell me and I will stay on my own. And I know that you're just playing, Sha.
I'm just playing. So, are you going to cook, or do you want me to cook for you? What do you want me to cook for you? If you want me to cook ogbono soup, egusi soup, all of them. Ichokwa can pound oragi apple.
Can't you see I'm not in the mood to talk now? I'm not in the mood to talk now. Please, understand me now.
I don't like this kind of thing you do. I don't like it. If you don't want me to come close to you, you should just tell me so that I will stop coming close and I will stay on my own. I don't like it. I don't like this kind of thing you do. Every time you're supposed to be happy than me, I'm with you. Don't you think all those guys, they are jealous? They're jealous of us.
Is it too much for me to ask not to be disturbed?
Are you working out on me? I'm not working out on me. It's not good though. Tomorrow night you come back. You know it's me, Deborah. Come back. Mom, I know you come. I know you're just playing. See this your smiley face. Just come. Don't mind them. They're just jealous. Nadia. Hey, Motenka, is someone come? Momoro. Obi ama pa kashala ma. Hey. You get Makakwan. Murako, okay, you're going, Go now, go. Don't worry, tomorrow you come to my house. I don't want to see my house again, no. Just go your house. Go to your place. Tomorrow you come in Deborah now. You're working out on me. See, Murako, you're supposed to be happy with me. I'm Mazo. Can you hear the Capicol? Oh, yeah, can you hear Bugisi? Can you hear Bugisi? This is because I'm not good, so you have big head.
Ago, how are you?
I am fine.
Where are you going?
Why would a man be walking and be talking to himself? If I say, he shall go Akwala go.
Ago, when will you change this your lifestyle and start coming to church? So that God will touch you.
Well, Master, did I hear you say church? Okay, see, when I will start coming to church is when me, Agu, don't say, Ona, where they go church, don't know the reason why Ona take they go church. Then Agu cannot start coming to church. But that's by the way. When a man is walking and be talking to himself, you know where he's supposed to? And what did they call him? Psychia! Even they call it.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Okay, let me make you understand. See, you were almost running mad. Like, you understand? But I don't know where you are going, but take good care of yourself. Yeah? Before you go now.
After abusing me, still want me to keep you?
No, nah, he's out. One and only out.
Code na designer, everything designer. Your daughter na designer, your son na designer, your machine na designer, everything design. Your trouble na designer.
Good afternoon.
Why, Master? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. How is work?
We thank God. Thank God.
The Lord is good.
Yes. Hey, so what can I do for you?
I came to see if
Talk. No, forget about what happened in the past. Have the courage and say what you want to say.
Please, is he here around?
Yes, he's around. You know, I have always known that you have this attachment to my daughter. But you see, when you were trying to explain to me the other time, I was so angry. I was blinded by anger, and my auditor was just Tibuosobu.
But I was saying all that there, but you refused to understand what I was saying.
Ignorance. I understand.
Oh, glory be to God for the understanding.
Yeah, Ifama.
God is really at work.
Ifama. Mama. Do you know, if I had known, I would have understood you well. By now, you and Ifama would have been talking about issues.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you, sir.
Ifama, you have a visitor.
Please, excuse us, sir.
What excuse?
How are you? How are you today? I can't believe that your father is really in support of us now.
Oya Master, see. The only reason I came to your house that time is because people were laughing at me. And I came to hide in your house, not because I love you.
No, wait. You know I don't like it when you talk like this. Your father is really in support of us. Behold, all things has passed away. See, I've tried in every way possible to make you understand that I love you.
My father is in support of you.
Yes. Just say yes to my request and I will make you my wife today.
I am saying no. Oya Master, leave.
If you stop this. Stop this.
Go in now. If my father is in support of you, then marry my father.
How can you say that? That's 14 years imprisonment.
I don't want to marry you. Start going. Leave.
If you
go now.
Please, at least hear me out. I love you.
I hope all is well.
No, Papa. He wants to leave.
So soon?
Yes, Papa.
So soon?
If you make my father to shout at me, I will not marry you. It's better for you to smile as you're going. Just smile so that he will not know anything.
Well, Master.
Sir.
Why would you leave so soon?
Oh, sir, I have to be on my way now.
Okay. It's all right. I hope you discussed well.
Oh, the Lord is good.
Oh, very, very
Let God be the judge of that.
Okay.
Maybe I have to be on my way now.
Okay.
Yes. All right, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right, take care of yourself, right?
Okay.
It's all right.
Sir.
You see? It is good to be happily married, not just getting married.
Yes, Papa.
When you're happy, forget about the amount of money.
Yes.
Come. What did you just say?
See, the reason why I'm telling you this is because if he's like a young girl like me, so me, I want the best for her. That's why I even said I should tell you. If not, I wouldn't have told you.
No wonder. I should have known that. Okorocha had been trying to get at me. Now he's trying to use Ife, my daughter. Then why did Ife swear to me that she has nothing to do with Okorocha, but Okorocha's son?
Is she Okorocha? Hey, this is the first time I'm hearing that name. I have never heard that name in my entire life. The man I am telling you is one very, very old man. Obioma Telo. Only Obioma, that old man. That's the one me I know.
Deborah, how long have you known this?
Then Bakwe, you know, when Ife stopped coming for choir practice, even the dance rehearsal, I know how that kind of thing is. So I started putting two aside. And me, I know that the fact that she stopped coming, maybe...
Were you one of those who were laughing at my daughter when she came for the last rehearsal? She told me.
Wasn't the only one that laughed at her, oh?
We were laughing at her because the man that was supposed to marry her disappointed.
No!
Was it not...
I wasn't the only one that laughed at her. Everybody there laughed at her, so me, I laughed with them.
So why were you laughing? Because the man that was supposed to marry her disappointed.
No! Hey! The only reason why we were laughing at her because she was sleeping with that old man. I even laughed last. I was even kicking them out. They should stop laughing. I asked the people that came for choir party. They will tell you.
Are you sure of what you say?
Then Bakwe. Anything I tell you is what you should believe me. Me, I cannot lie to you. I know what to tell you and I know exactly what you should believe. See, everybody will come and be telling you this one is what happened. Anything I tell you, you know what will happen. Just come through my back door. You will come and hear the more. Anything you want me to tell you, I'll be telling you.
Anybody up in here, man? Yeah, Jumbull, I'm up in the quick, y'all. What's happening, nigga? What's going on, man?
Jumbull, what have you come to do here? Man, what do you want? What do you want?
Man, I came to see Shaggy, my boy, man. Can I come to my brother's house, man? What's wrong with you?
Who is Shaggy?
That's your son. Shaggy, man.
Son is a Kere, not Shaggy.
Calm down, brother. Take it easy, man. Calm down. You see, like our father, man, you are forever busy with your work. You never paid no attention to that young man. That dude got talent, man. I'm telling you. My nephew got talent. But you were never there for him.
Jumbull, I agree with you. Our father was never there for us. But that didn't make me to turn out the way you are now. Not the way my son has turned out. I was able to take care of myself. Huh?
But you see, our mother was always there for us. And you drove away his mother, a good woman. Now, as the uncle, I'm trying to change the game of his life. I'm trying to give him a direction. All you think is I'm, influencing him in a bad way. That's not true, man. I'm trying to help my nephew, man.
Get out of my house.
Just like that?
Get away from me.
You need to change your life. Change the game of your life. Or somebody will cut you with a knife. Do you need 5 alive? All right, use this and change your life. So.
I beg you bring the money, make we jump together. Building suya na for cowboy. If I ain't wanna talk, he gave me quiet cheese.
Sweetheart.
One man the poison is another man food.
I swear this is the real. You know what, baby? I can't wait to marry you so that you keep preparing things like this for me.
And I can't wait to start feeding you the quality meals my mother taught me how to make.
Are you serious? And then your wedding day comes soon.
My son.
Yes, Mama.
Where did you say you came back from?
Oh, Mom. America, Mama.
You said it when I was inside, and I came out to hear if what I had was true. Where did you live in America?
Oh. Mama, it's not like you know anywhere in America. You never been in America before. Well, I'll tell you because you're my mother-in-law to be. I came from Brooklyn. You know where the motherfucker...
Brooklyn?
Yeah, Brooklyn. That's where the likes of PDD...
Shut up!
Yeah, that's what Nicki Minaj did. Nicki Minaj.
Keep quiet. Stop eating my food. Always Zigini.
Hello?
I say keep quiet. Stop eating my food. You came back from America.
Of course, America,
right?
Yeah.
Let me go inside. Let me go inside and come back. You came back from America.
Of course.
That is America.
Yes, America.
America.
Yeah.
Let me go inside.
Baby, what's up with your mom, yeah?
Sorry.
She know how I stay in America.
My mom is sorry.
Oh, you love me, right?
Yeah, I don't mind my mom. I don't mind my mom.
Oh, I shouldn't mind her. Jesus Christ! Sorry.
Mom, why do
Lie down on the floor. Lie down straight.
Sorry.
Where is your wallet? What? Bring out the wallet. Where is your wallet? Fast.
Ma, what now?
Bring out that wallet.
Maybe take some dollars and give it to Mama, yeah?
Keep quiet. Any more from you, I hit this thing on you.
Sorry.
Be fast.
Ma, there is no money inside.
There is no guinea. Money. No money.
Give your...
Keep quiet.
No, she didn't check the inside. Maybe check...
What? Keep quiet.
Shaggy, why now?
Shaggy guinea. Oh yeah, you have seen it now. America. Oh yeah, remove your cap. Remove it now. On the ground.
On the floor?
Yes, on the ground. When I told you that this boy you brought here is a criminal, you wouldn't listen. Now you have seen it. Fast.
Okay.
Remove it fast before I hit this. Keep it on the floor.
On the floor?
Yes, on the ground. Don't worry about it.
This is some
Don't worry, Nation.
This is good.
Remove your necklace. Before I hit this on you.
Sorry.
That is the money we are talking about.
Baby, I got some dollars at home.
Keep quiet.
Sorry.
Remove your shoe. Fast.
Mommy, this can buy the food.
Remove your shoe.
My shoes? Jesus Christ.
Remove it. I'll see, sir. Keep quiet.
Sorry.
Keep quiet.
Stay
out of this.
Baby, talk to Mama for me. Talk to Mama.
Look. Oh yeah, get to the backyard and get me rope. I'll see, sir.
Bro, hey. Mommy, I'm money over there.
You want?
You want to see your sins? Mommy, because you're not going
to be fast.
Uncle JD! Uncle JD, good afternoon, sir. This one your face is like this. What's the problem?
Is it not this nigga that called himself my brother, Okocha? Shaggy's father, man. That nigga told Shaggy not to come close to me anymore.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know, man.
Shit. What's this now? See, since it's like this now, what do we do?
The only thing we can do is this. If you're down with me, I'm down with you. If you're down with me, I got your back.
I'm down with you.
Then we are game.
100%.
We are game, and we're gonna put them to shame.
Hey!
They will have themselves to blame. What's my name, boy?
Uncle JB.
Hey, there you go.
Hey, it's my head. Don't just come to my head.
Wait.
You don't get it. See, you are neither an only child nor an orphan. So I don't expect you to understand what I'm going through when I said I need a companion. I don't know how else to explain it to you.
Morocco, the only thing I fail to understand is what your search for a champion has led you to.
See, you've never been in love, so you won't understand what I'm saying here. I don't know.
I've never been in love. That kind of love that led you to the two most wrong women in this community that any man can wish for. They really hate you.
Two wrong women? How? See, let me clear it to you. I know that I love Effie. That one I know. But Deborah, not as if I don't love her, but just as she's a chorister in the church where I choir master.
I can see you're confused. I can see that confusion is speaking right now.
How do you mean? I'm not confused.
Hey, you're
Lord
here.
Jesus. Oh, God.
Yeah, we'll see later, Greg.
Jepu. Why are you always walking away? Each time I meet you and Morocco together, is it that you don't like me, or is it that you don't like me to see me and Morocco together, or is it that you're sorry, Homer? No, Jeku, don't mind me. No, I'm joking. You're not. You're not.
Morocco, we'll see later.
It's alright, my dad. Let me even get something inside.
Morocco! Momo!
Your trouble a designer, your wahala designer, everything design, Mr. Designer. The secret to somewhere is the road to somewhere.
Ifama, come here. Ifama, what?
Papa, wait now. What did I do now, Papa? What did I do to you now? Why are you beating me, Papa?
You're an idiot. Asking me such a question.
What is it, Papa? What has she done?
Ask this the bagger of her sister. Am I even saying that? Were you not there when she went and came back in the morning, telling us that she slept over at Auntie Rezo's place?
Papa. And she told us what happened afterwards.
That was lie. She told us lie about Auntie Rosa. She told us lie about how her handset, her phone, ended up in Okorocha's place. She had been lying and lying and lying.
Papa, I did not lie. Wasn't Ekwem that introduced me to Okorocha's son?
What?
Ekwem took me to that place.
Ekwem introduced you to Okorocha? What is that, Ekwem?
Ekwem, come out to see what you've caused to. Come out here.
What happened? Papa? Ekwem, shut up. Let me ask my question. Ekwem, were you the person who introduced your sister to Okorocha's son?
No. Yeah, yes. Actually, Papa.
Shut up! I am asking you. Did you or did you not introduce your sister to Okorocha's son?
Papa, yes. But let me explain. When I introduced them, I never knew he was Okorocha's son.
Are you the only person who doesn't know Okorocha's son? You are the auctioneer. You're auctioning your sister's out, isn't it?
But you, if you when I introduced you, asked to go there and do something.
Did I do anything with him?
Can't you say? Shut up! Look at the way you people, you're not even ashamed of people who are passing. Did you do something? I didn't do something. Look at what you people are voicing out. You, I've lost a lot of things, even my business, a lot of business, to that Okorocha. I cannot stand and lose my daughter and my pride and my dignity to that idiot. I won't.
Ify,
you are not ashamed.
This is shameful.
Because of your stupid behavior. Now you come and kneel down here.
Papa, let me explain this thing. I just introduced them. I did not ask her to go and do something.
As an auctioneer, you auctioned your sister out.
Just introduction.
What kind of introduction are you talking?
Papa, let me go inside.
Come here. Come and join him. What's up? Join him.
did you go there and do something?
You see what
Why did you go there and
you
No, let me. Come on,
Designer down, who is the designer? A man wants to work less, but earn more and spend less. Makes him so penniless and endlessly worthless.
Ma, what are you rolling?
I mean, Mamma, let me know one.
How the chamma?
Hey, Shidimaju, when are you people going to showcase this your dance that you people have been rehearsing since?
Oh, it's next month, Mama.
Hey, next month. You see, I really have not make out time to see one of you girls and ask you why my daughter is no longer coming for the rehearsals. What happened between you and her?
Mama, I don't think I should be telling you this because I have stopped saying things that don't concern me. Mama, see, people don't like hearing the truth.
The truth? What is the truth?
Ma, the truth that people know about and don't want to hear. In fact, it causes problems between I and other people.
Okay, my daughter. It's not going to cause a problem. Just tell me, what is it? What is the truth?
Mama, it's just that at the rehearsal, people kept laughing at Ife.
Why are they laughing at her?
Ma, it's because she went about telling people about the white man. She boasted about everything and the wedding did not hold again. Oh, hey, Mary.
That she did not get married to the white man. It's not her fault.
Thank you. But she refused to see reasons with me.
But that is not enough reason for her to stop.
Alright. It was Deborah that went and told the white man about Ife. I am very sure she told him terrifying things that made the white man believe it. Can't be sure.
Deborah? Who is Deborah?
So if you travel, when are you coming back?
I don't know for now until I travel.
What do you mean you don't know?
I can't believe you don't understand simple English. I just told you I don't know. Let me travel first. Then I will know when I will be coming back.
Okay. Have you eaten?
No, but I will soon cook.
Okay, don't worry about that. Just wash your clothes. I'll go inside and make something for you to eat.
Deborah, I just told you I can take care of that. I will cook. Let me finish washing. Don't bother yourself about that.
Morocco, why are you squeezing your face just because I want to make something for you to eat?
Deborah, what's the meaning of all this? So I should scream excitedly because you offered to cook for me. I told you I would take care of that. What's the meaning of all this? Sometimes I wonder if you're a child of God.
Morocco, I don't like this thing you're doing, no? I don't like this thing you're doing. I only offered to help you cook something while you wash your clothes. Is it a bad thing that I did? See, let me just tell you. If you don't want me coming here, just let me know. Anytime I come here, you'll be squeezing your face. See, if you don't like me coming to your house, just let me know. If you don't want me to cook for you, just let me know. What is all this now? Is it a bad thing that I did? Is it a bad thing that I did? Is it a bad thing that I did to you?
When you talk, I wonder if you're a child of God. What is wrong with you? I am a choir master.
Morocco, if you don't want me to stay here, tell me so that I will go.
Ifo, what did you do that made that white man to abandon you and run away?
I did not do anything. I don't know.
Ifo, what are those terrible things you did that made the white man abandon you and run away?
Mama, I don't do terrible things. I did not do any terrible thing.
So what did Deborah told the white man that made the white man to abandon you and even run away from this country, Pam Pam?
Deborah, that same girl that told me about Korocha before. Yes, Deborah said. Deborah.
Papa, I think we are wasting so much time. If you ask me, I think we should bring Deborah here, or we all march down to her house and ask her these questions ourselves, because me, I want to hear from her personally.
Shut up. Now listen, the two of you. Go and look for that phone wherever it is and bring the phone back to the very house. If not, people are going to see the other side of me.
A man wants to work less but earn more and spend less. Makes him
don't come with your own now. I am trying to digest the embarrassment and the shame your children have brought upon my head. Don't start your own, no.
Okay. You are calling it an embarrassment and shame. You seen it? All the behaviors Ifoma your daughter is putting up in this house, you are responsible for it. It's you.
Okay. So you are blaming me.
I will continue to blame you and blame you and blame you. Now tell me, what does your children know you do for a living?
Who are you asking?
You think your children don't know you live fake life? Eh? You live fake life. Even when you tell your Obioma. But instead of you to accept that you are a teller, you go about the village telling everybody that you are a designer. You used to design clothes. You used to design clothes. And your children are following your fake life. Living a fake life. They don't want to bend down. Everybody is carrying his shoulder, carrying their wings. Instead of you to charge them small money and make a living, instead you charge them big money to mend clothes for them.
Agwajima, all these things you have tabled out now. How is it your problem? Whatever I am charging, is it not my problem? Why are you carrying my problem for me?
It is my problem. Because you must accept who you are. Even when you tell Opium, just look at you. Your children now live fake lives. They carry their shoulders about. They don't want to bend down. You have seen it.
So that's your judgment. As a woman of the house, that is your judgment, isn't it?
Dikeh bracelet.
Dikeh garejo, eh? The shape you go. The shape garejo I think you can. The shape garejo I think. The shape
Yeah. Exactly, man. You know. Yeah, boy. Seriously, I don't know when I'm going back to the States. I'm right now busy with that young man I told you. He got so much talent. Yeah. You know, like Fino would say, no album, but I'm making million. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'll talk to you later, bro. All right? I'll get back to you, man. I gotta go. Ooh. Come here, girl.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Come here. Don't be afraid. What's your name?
My name is Ifi. I like you. You're speaking American English. I like you so much. I want to marry somebody from America.
Wow. Wow. Are you from this town?
Yes, Somochima.
No, I'm sorry, baby. You can't marry me. I'm too old.
Please. I want to marry somebody from America. Because you're speaking American English, I want to marry you.
Well, I tell you what, I just found the most prettiest girl in this town. My son is lucky, man. He gonna marry you. My son in the States.
Eh?
Yeah.
America?
Yes. America.
Are you sure?
Hey, man, do I have to lie? Look at you, baby. I tell you what, I'm gonna call him right now. He was the one I was talking to on the phone.
Yes.
So what's the name of your town? Where are you from?
Omochima.
Omochima.
My father's name is Mbakwe, the designer.
I'm gonna get back at you. We're gonna start making plans, man.
To marry me.
To marry you.
Are you sure?
Serious, man. My son gonna marry you, baby.
I want you to swear.
I swear my son gonna marry you.
Swear again.
I swear I'm gonna tell him. I'll call him right now.
Come.
That's the hardest pitch I've seen.
Bela. For some days now, you've been coming to the bar, helping me, washing plates, cooking. You no longer find excuses to go and visit your friends. Don't you want to see them again?
Mama, what is the need? Eh? What is the need? Mama, see, I am tired of all those kind of life. Yes, now, no gain now when somebody can still fool me. Someone that has not even seen the 4 walls of university before. Look at me, an undergraduate. The guy still fool me. Mama, what was the need? I'm sorry about the sagging, all those forming I used to do. There is no gain, Mama. There is no gain.
Let me tell you.
I'm here.
It's good for somebody to accept who you are. Fake life does not pay. It will only land you into big trouble. A very big trouble. So I thank God that you have changed. You help me wash plates, do some cooking. God will bless you. I'm coming, oh.
And what do you want? Hey, Ego, this your eye wants to fear me. He wants to make me to run away from here. I have been looking all over the village looking for you, so I can beg you to please forgive me. Ego, you know I was too hasty with the words. I wasn't even thinking straight. I would have waited for you to at least learn before jumping into conclusion. Ego, I came to ask you to please forgive me. Whatever it is that I have done to you in this village, forgive me. You're the only true friend that I have. If you leave me, who will be my friend in this village?
Deborah, I have stopped fighting these days and receiving threats from people. Do you know why?
Ego, you don't even need to tell me why. You're not even a fighter. I am the fighter, the Deborah, the one that everybody knows. You're a very calm person. That's why I like you. That's why you've been my friend. This white man they're telling you about, I don't even know that he exists, though. He doesn't even know that someone like me too exists. And everybody's saying I'm the one that caused the thing that happened between Ify. I know I said so many things. I even lied. All those things I said, Ego, I want to believe that they're all lies. All those things I said, nobody knows that anything that like that happened, though. Just believe me, Ego, please.
Anyway, I'm sorry for just listening to you without verifying. I've forgiven you.
Ah, Ego, you have?
I heard the white man did not marry Ify again because he's already a married man. I have even told Ify to forgive you.
Ego, Wure, what am I going to be in this village without you? You're the only true friend I have. Thank you so much for forgiving me. Ego, thank you so much. Ego, thank you so much. So that white man did not marry Ify again after everything that she did. Ego, I'm so happy you are forgiving me.
He did not marry her. I've told her to forgive me and she's still pained because I just want peace. That's what I want now.
Ego, you told her to forgive me. Hi, Ego, thank you so much, Ego. You're a very nice person. That's why I said you're the only friend I have in this village. Without you, what would I have done? Ego, thank you so much. Hey, Ego, you're a nice person. Ego, now that you are forgiving me, I am here to ask you for a favor.
And what could that be?
Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on.
Miracle. My master, we came to see you. Do you need to be told that Deborah loves you?
Good. What sort of question is that? Huh?
Miracle, please. Don't be offended. I just brought Ego so she can help me plead with you.
Just keep quiet there and let me tell him what we're here for. Okay, master. I don't need to be told that you love Deborah, but maybe sometimes she...
Ego!
What is all this? What is this all about?
I know you're upset because of her evil tongue.
Ego!
What? Okay, master. I know she can be stupid sometimes. We all have faults. She has a fault, I understand. Even you have a fault as well.
Ego, did you come here to insult me or what? What's the problem?
Ego, don't. Miracle. Ego, please don't make him angry. Miracle, please, I am sorry. I'm so sorry for everything. Okay, I know I'm a bad person. I know I did certain things. I know I even lied. I agree with all that. See, do you know why I did all that? Because I was jealous. See, Miracle, I was feeling that you were giving Ify more attention more than I do. It's just I did all those things because I was jealous. Please, Miracle, I will not do all those things again. Forgive me and forget, please.
Do you know your problem? You talk too much. You will say this right now, the next minute you're saying another thing, and all lies. You talk too much, and it's not godly. God!
Okay, Morocco. Yes, I know I talk too much. I agree with everything that you're saying about me. I agree that I talk too much. I agree that I do not let another person talk when I'm talking. I agree for all those things. I agree for everything that I've done. See, Momo, believe me. Do you know why I did that thing I did that day with that boy? It's because I wanted to see if you will be jealous. It's not as if I like doing that kind of thing. No? And I wanted to see if I will even put iffy inclusive of what happened. And that thing happened. That's why. See, I did all those things because I was jealous. Just believe me. Agree with me. I will not do those things again.
Did you hear a friend? I couldn't even hear a word from what she's saying. Typewriting machine. Deborah, so you did all that because you wanted to get me jealous. God.
Morocco, see, believe me, from the bottom of my heart, I am a changed person. Deborah is a changed person. Debbie has changed. I will not do all those things that you say that I do again. All those things that you complain about, I'm not going to stop them. I will be a good person from today onwards. I am begging you, Mumu, please look into my eyes and agree with me that everything that I'm telling you that it is true. Please look at me. Mumu, believe me, I will not lie to you. All those things, I will not do them again. Just believe me. I have agreed. I am a bad person.
According to your size, make you not talk, say no, no. But everything where the glitter and you be gone. Designer man, designer man, designer man, designer man. The shoe not designer, the coat not designer.
It is now very clear to everybody that you sent your evil daughter to my family to destroy my family. But I assure you, it won't happen. It will not. Listen, Okorocha, you know what I have been thinking? I used to think that it's only people who are mad that jabber as their country, just the way you are talking. And they just open their mouth and they talk nonsense. But probably it is high fever or malaria or what? Which one is probably... I won't take that lightly. You don't insult me upon all you do to my family. Eh? What's wrong with you? I won't take it lightly. I won't take that insult lightly because it was on purpose that you sent your daughter. But right now, she is milking my brother who came from abroad. Eh? You see, I thought it was only mad people that jabber the way you're jabbering. I don't know where your own is coming from, whether it is fever or whether it is malaria. Because from the way I see, you are a very confused man. Look at your daughter. Is this ready-made or okay? Is that the issue? That is what I thought because you are confused. You are such a confused human being. You know, that is always why your mind goes. If you don't castrate your daughter, I do it for you. Let's say no. Your own son. Your son, who goes about impregnating young girls in this village. What have you said about it? You caught him, or it's what they told you. Do I need to catch him? We know the number of people he has made pregnant. He doesn't wear knicker here, he doesn't wear pants. He dangles his stupid, useless, illiterate manhood around this village. Okay. Since you have refused to deal with your daughter, maybe you go. I will catch my Dikeh. Back in. Why are you going to do this? Like father, like son. That is where you... Clitoris here, I will cut it. It is you.
Station time prevents a fall of tears. The elevator, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code. According to your side.
He can be an asshole sometimes, man.
No. I'm not even allowing him to get under my skin anyway. Your brother Okorocha is somebody I have been in the same business with for a very long time, so I know him too well. When my daughter came home and told me that somebody from America wants to marry her, I was in doubt. But my encounter with your brother and now this your presence here, I'm convinced.
As for my son, he's going to be back in the 3rd week of next month. Okay. So I'm here to meet up with any other requirement that doesn't need his presence. When he comes back, everything else can, take place.
It can be arranged. Okay. You know when I came, I wanted to drink cola. You said no. Let me go and get you cola now.
It's okay. I'm in a rush. I think this can help you.
What is this for?
For you to add to the preparation until my son comes back.
But this is done now.
You change it to Naira. Everywhere.
Please wait. You will drink. The only one.
Show me your designer. If I give you my designer, are you good designer?
Philip, see, Mbakwe have really changed. Mbakwe, I was going to go.
Mbakwe, Mbakwe, you're serving me drink.
Listen, why will I not? Listen, what was happening then was ignorance. Am I not a teller? Am I not a daughter? So why was I denied it then? At a stage in your life when you have had experience and maturity, it makes you calm down. Gara will not do all these things. The machine I was denied, this machine, was the machine that established this place.
Remember, you nearly cut off my head the other eye. Because I called you a Dwadwa.
What am I? You people, am I not Dwadwa? So why was I doing all those things? Ignorance. You know, when you reach a stage in life and you see that things are happening, you want to be a happening person, then you begin to sound foolish. You know, I was telling you, I was a designer, I was a creative, this or that. All boils down to being Obioma and a teller.
Mbakwe, thank you very much.
I will drink your drink.
Thank you very much for the drink. You know, this is one of the few moments that we were asked to come and refresh as we go about the entire village in discharge of our duties. So we really thank you very much, Mbakwe.
I should be thanking you people. I commend you so much.
Thank you for that.
You people in the night, I'm sure you did not sleep while you were doing your vigilante job. Now you people are supposed to be taking your nap. You're still moving around trying to protect us.
Mbakwe, thank you very much for appreciating what we are doing.
We're doing fine.
Thank you for recognizing our effort in this community.
I commend you immensely.
Thank you very much, Mbakwe. We also commend you for the change that we have seen here today. Or Philip.
It is inevitable. There is nothing I can do. Somebody whose daughters are about to get married in less than 2 months or 1 month now. I don't want to shout it so that people do not hear it. When the time comes, you will hear it. I get you. But for now, if you want to drink more, Eleha, bring more drink beer for them.
Morocco, I never knew that they have a little banana rice in the village.
My guy, there's goodness everywhere. Not even anything, or the same way they have bad ones, so all depending where.
Mr. Designer, what is a designer?
Mark, I want to talk to you in private.
So?
Tell Jeku to go. Or you follow me so that I will talk to you in private.
I was actually waiting for your charm to move me. But as you can see, you didn't. So you can say whatever you want to say here. I'm listening.
I want to know why you don't want to tell me that you have gotten America visa lottery. Why are you babbling?
Tell you as what? Tell you as what? As who?
Baby, no. If you need wine.
If your majesty was sensible enough, if your majesty were sensible enough, she would have noticed that I was into a deep discussion with Jeku. Just use your brain. Think. Use your IQ. Jeku, as I was saying, you know this, but there's this banana in Umoma.
But I'm not finished talking to you. Answer me now.
Don't get me angry. There's this Umoma banana. This one is even not. You know, there are some. You will see them. They will look like plantain.
Very sweet.
My in-law, I just thought I should come around to know how the preparations are going.
You did fine.
Yes.
You did fine. You did fine. But each time you come here, I'm getting angry. I want to go and bring something for you. You say, no, don't worry, don't worry.
I mean, man, I'm always on the street. I got to eat the street, man. I want to know, is there anything else that needs to be done? You know?
No. We have done virtually everything. What of my son-in-law? When is he going to come back?
Oh, you see, I would have had him come back earlier than this. But his office will not let him go. until one day to the event. But it's all good. If he comes back, he's going to be here for a while.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I don't have any problem with that.
Anyway,
now can you take something?
Let me give you something to add to your preparation. There you go.
No, each time you keep giving me. When I want to give you, it's not as if I'm even giving you much. Just drink.
I will come when we'll spend time to drink. But for now, I got to hit the street. So, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Peace out, man.
Yeah, come.
Designer man. Your shoe not designer. Your coat not designer. Everything designer. Your daughter not designer. Your son not designer. Your machine not designer.
Who is there?
Everything designer.
No. Oh, I know. See, I am not going for dance rehearsal today. If that is the reason you people came here.
No. Ify, why are you saying like this now? Even if we were sent to come and drag you out to that place, you know it's not possible.
Yes. No.
Yes.
That's why we came, to help you to do something in the house.
Yes.
As our friend.
Yes.
Ify,
we are your friends. Now that you're getting married, it is very important that we help you.
Yes. Please. That's why we're here.
Okay. You people are welcome.
Thank
You are going to be part of my Ashebi.
Hey! Thank you.
Ashebi with Demon and daughter. You that is rejoicing. I don't want you to be part of my Ashebi. Yes. If you want to know, what did I do? You're asking me what did you do? You cannot be anyone. You have a soft heart now. You're lucky. Oh yeah, stand up. The Ashebi, we're going to wear it and we'll do that catwalk for the
Ijega America, Ijikwa koi koi, Ijuku wando wiri, Ijikwa dollar. Anya were go, anya cherry herima. Egorima, mada wi enile, eleli kumu. If I ain't what I talk to One man the poison is another man food. Waiting you reject you, another man go chop a more. Your vitamin, na my bitter cola, alaliko moha. Lavo moyo le, maya moyo America. Owe wano kwa iko. Ayo bioma, bito chida biga kano moyo le, maya moyo America. Owe wano kwa iko. You don't get money today, if you don't get tomorrow. Maya moyo America. Owe wano dollar. Oya master, oya so. Swaka koshole Ijega America Ijikwa koi koi Ijubu mwado wiri Ijikwa dola Egorima Mana wi enile Eleli kumu
Abadia kokri boy irawa. Ndarabanko pejoba. Ndarabanko. Ndarabanko. Ezo kwezoku kiche mati makola ga koko. Ezo kwezoku kiche mati makola ga koko. Akoko mereme. O mere kogi state mama. O mere kogi state papa. Ebe mujale kulo bilongo na degu. Mane arusi, wano biya kwa meje monu o brother. Anye jema, nuna kogio, nchiche se waleba. Kawusa lo buru kano pinde manu abalaga. Papuodo buru uye nunde manu no nimea. Ebe mo, Ojuku bucket again. Ajuku bucket again. Anyetima. Modona lo ereneba. Abu amada kukanye shabru mundeji nabiana. Awu weri agemele mo mama. Tango kumo. Ajogu kelugu brother onuka. Arabanko. Ebanye jina rose. Arabanko. Ebanye jaroda. Arabanko. Ebanye jangumbo. Arabanko. Ebanye jina ngumbo.
Teach me your American dance.
You mean American dance?
Yes, now.
Oh, okay.
Am I not your wife?
Right, yeah, my wife. I love you, you know. This way.
See, in my place, if you want to dance, you will have to tie your wrapper, set your hands like this, and you'll be doing it like this, like this. Oh my God.
I don't get money today. If you could get tomorrow, why you master? Oh yes, sir. Swaka swaka koshole Ijega America Ijikwa koi koi Ichupu mwado wiri Ijikwa dola Anya werego Wanya cherry herima Egorima Mana wii enile Eleli kumu Ijega America, Ijikwa Koi Koi, Ichupu Wado Wiri, Ijikwa Dollar. Anya Werego, Wanya Cherry Herima. Egorima, Madawi.
Abalide, oja ma bere yoyo.
Today is your wedding day. We know we normally have 2 weddings. This one, to us traditionalists, this is the major one. Now, the routine is, I will give, you know, we have been here. We don't know why we are drinking, but we're just drinking. You are now going to open the key for us. Yes, sir. So that when we see our in-law, we will know that this is our in-law. I'll give you this. You'll find out your husband to be. When he drinks it, you drink a bit of it. You should have known by now. He takes a part of it, then you return the cup to us. Musician. Musico. Just like this guy said.
Keke na pepe, taxi drivers, Tamfo drivers, Mokada pepo, Mome meji maroda, Enyi, Ije timpere, Ebanje jina rose, Ochi jaroda, Ebanje jina mungwo, Asuwebe. Beneluwo biaduro Ewaje daga mbagoboro Dida Ewugwa lagwara buboye Itegriche mweze lunguo La omada muzo ya Arabanko Ewu beje monu Ewu bedaga mbagoboro Ekekeru ekelo Ekele diriti kerem Ewaje jemonu Ewaje jina rose Egbanye jaroda, egbanye jinangungbo, egbanye jeti mpere, keke na pepe, taxi driver, yanale.
Why is he kneeling down? Get up, my son, get up.
You want to marry Americana? You want to marry Americana? Look at Americana. Americana has arrived. Marry Americana. Marry me, Gasumba. Now you want to marry Americana. Americana, your wife is gone. Americana, your wife is gone. That's you. You want to marry. Your wife is gone, Americana.
Designer that, waiting the designer. Designer up, designer down. Who is the designer? A man wants to work less but earn more and spend less. Makes him so penniless and endlessly worthless. Crazy na hard to farm wo. Na the work of the wahala. I book it a go, nama the go. I come off a road, don't struggle the go. I be you shoe na designer, your coat na designer, everything designer. Your daughter na designer, your son na designer, your machine na designer, everything design. Your trouble na designer, your wahala designer, everything design. Mr. Designer, the same route to somewhere is no route to somewhere. Mr. Designer, oh, my designer. Tell him make mistake, he gon' call him style. Extension time prevents a fall of tears. The earlier the better, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size. Designer man, designer man. Oh, my designer. Everything white and black. Oh, my designer. Show me your designer. Oh, my designer. Show me your designer.